Yes, so this is like in this session, this is the last session on in module 2, and in this session we'll discuss about online radio and internet radio, also like streaming, and also we'll discuss radio on mobile phones. As I've told you earlier also, internet radio is a new concept. Internet radio is also called as online radio, okay, and it is a digital audio service transmitted via the internet. That is what we have to remember. It's a digital audio service transmitted via the internet, okay. So it streams audio via internet rather than through the traditional radio signal. It is not using the traditional radio signal, rather it streams audio via internet, okay. And broadcasting on the internet is usually referred to as webcasting, since it is not transmitted broadly through wireless means. It is not using wireless means, rather it is using internet as a medium, okay. It can either be used as a standalone device running through the internet, or you can say it uses a software running through a single computer, okay. So it's not in fact going for the traditional radio signal, rather it is using a standalone device that actually runs through or works through internet or a software to play that. Then internet radio services are usually accessible from anywhere in the world, okay, with a suitable internet connection, of course, unlike what the FM or you can say AM, or even a community radio which has got a limit of 12 kilometers or 15 kilometers or 70 kilometers. That limit is not there when it is being aired through internet. One could, for example, listen to an Australian station from Europe and America, or an Indian station from America. Okay, this has made online radio particularly suitable and popular among listeners. Online radio is also suited to listeners with special interests that are often not adequately served by radio or local radio stations. You can just tune in, you can just stream in only for that program. That is also there. Then internet radio involves streaming media, presenting listeners with a continuous streaming of audio that typically cannot be paused or replayed, much like traditional broadcast media. And where exactly it is different from podcasting, podcasting actually involves downloading. You have recorded a material and you are downloading it, you are getting it, but here it is streaming, okay. So there lies the difference between podcasting and online radio. Then internet services offer news reports, then sports, then talk, various genres of music. Every format that is available on traditional broadcasts are also available in internet radio. Many internet radio services are associated with corresponding traditional radio station or radio network. Low startup and ongoing costs have allowed a substantial proliferation of independent internet only radio stations. And you can also say that the first internet radio service was launched in 1993, and worldwide. myopusradio.com is India's first internet radio station for international music, launched in the October 2008. Then some best examples, or some popular examples, are Radio Maria of USA, then 3 KND of Australia, then CHEV of Canada are some best examples of online radio stations. Then you can say we are moving on to the next concept, and that is streaming. Streaming technology is used to distribute internet radio, okay. Streaming audio formats include MP3, OGG, Wobis, then Windows Media Audio, then Real Audio, and HEAAC. Then audio data is continuously transmitted serially over the local network or internet in TCP. or UDP packets. They then reassembled at the receiver and played a second or two later. There is no need to get into such details. You just have to remember, like the streaming audio formats include MP3, OGG, wobbles, etc. That's it. Then the delay is called as lag and is introduced at several stages of digital audio broadcasting. Okay, so that is about streaming. And moving on to the last concept of this chapter, that is radio on mobile phones. We all know that digital technology has revolutionized every walk of life, including our consumption of news and entertainment programs. We need not carry a radio set to listen to radio programs anymore, and distances are not, in fact, a barrier, for us to listen to our favorite radio stations. So that is, in fact, been made possible through internet enabled digital technology or internet enabled radio. And internet has further expanded the reach and listenership of radio programs worldwide. A community radio station program broadcast within a radius of maximum 12 kilometers can be accessed by persons anywhere in the world, with an appropriate app installed in their mobile phone. So there are numerous apps right now to listen to our favorite radio programs. So most smartphones right now are built, or you can say they have built-in FM receivers, which means everyone could have free and easy access to radio. Listening to radio or to the radio using your phone's FM instead of internet saves valuable data and battery life. We can also stream many radio stations over the internet. In fact, many radio stations have dedicated apps to make it easy to listen online. Okay, then All India Radio's official app, All India Radio Live, offers a number of programs in Hindi, Urdu, and regional languages to cater to mobile wielding listeners in India and abroad. Okay, so that is all about radio and mobile phone, which can be asked for a short question, a short essay question, or I can say as a short essay question. So that's all about the module 2, and we will continue with our discussions in the next video. Thank you.